Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about how Shopify works. So Shopify is a CMS platform where you can run your e-commerce businesses. So see, if you are to create an e-commerce business with the coding, it needs a lot of efforts. And so if you are a person who handles complete coding, then product you need to launch, then you need to track the analytics and you need to track the behavior of the each product, the marketing channel integration, payment gateway integration. It takes a lot of effort. If you have a very good product, it's good to own a complete website, but for basic websites or premium websites, at least like 10 million, 20 million turnovers. So those kind of people use CMS platforms like Shopify, Ecommerce, Ecommerce, these kind of platforms. So Shopify is a great platform for all the these mid-range e-commerce businesses. So where we can track it, create a website and track the analytics, inventory management, everything will be there in the Shopify itself. So let's get started. So how Shopify works. So we'll create a simple website in this video. We'll attach a theme, and the next video we'll also discuss regarding the uh, complete development part and the meta fields, so integration parts, how the different apps works, how the marketing channel integrations works, and all. These are the test websites which I have created already in my Shopify Partners Developer account. I'll add a store here. This is a store for just to build and test. Okay, what will content text? Okay, here is the store looks like. If you have a business, so if you open a Shopify account, this is the dashboard which looks like, and this is an online store where we create a website. The theme, we have specific themes, so we just integrate the themes, import the themes, and we customize the themes. Just like WordPress, we customize, but it's a bit different. We can't add the columns on our own. We can't do few things. Shopify controls many things. If you are good at programming, if you are good at React.js, Liquid programming, specifically for Shopify, so you can create your own theme. So this is a down theme, so Shopify default theme. And we can also have few themes which are free, Dawn theme or this had like we start with this. Just install the theme. Then also we need to create the products, number of products. In this video, we'll just explore the things. What are the things we can do in the Shopify? Okay, each and every option. Let it install. So this is a home page looks like, but since we just created this store, it is asking to create products, right? So we'll create few products, two or three products for testing. So here we'll add the 2 to 3 products in this video. So first product will be perfume. Then we'll just add the image here. We'll set up the pricing to 200 rupees. It's set. So we'll also add one more product. So we have added 3 products here. So let's see how the product page looks like. These are product pages looking like. We haven't added any description for this for any other features, reviews or anything. We haven't customized the products. If we have added the product image and product name, pricing, and to run an e-commerce business, we need to add many things like a number of SKUs, so how many variants they have, the number of sizes, the colors, anything will be there. We'll discuss on the next videos if you support more. So we can track the analytics clearly and we can integrate the marketing channels. Here only we can set up the Google marketing channel, Facebook marketing, Snapchat, everything we can set up in the analytics. So we can see the monthly report, a day report, or live report. Okay. And you can check the live view, how many people are visiting in your website. You can check your customers, number of customers, how many customers you have. Based on that, you can also set up the campaigns for the customers. You can check the orders. So since we don't have any orders, you can check the number of orders created and you can fulfill the order. The number of orders for the customers, and you can also search with the order ID. You can also search with the customer name. You can search with the customer email. Okay, and then here it is very easy way to create the discounts. So 1+1 offer or 10% off or 20% off, all the types of discounts we can generate with this. But the same thing, if you want to run with the coding, you need a lot of time, you need a lot of effort. Then, so it costs you more. So when you're starting a business, it costs you like 3 to 4 lakhs. You just set up this e-commerce website. But with the Shopify, you can just pay monthly amount like 7,000 or 8,000 bigger monthly charge. Then you can run your business. You can invest on your business. E-commerce. Yeah. In the next video, we'll discuss about how to customize your theme in detail and how can we integrate the Google Analytics, how can we integrate the ads, the navigation bar, pages, so all the ecosystem works. So that's about the today's video, just an overview of the Shopify. Please do subscribe and ask your doubts regarding Shopify. How can we create the meta fields, track each and every analytics and integrating the apps. So let me know in the comments so that I can make more videos regarding the Shopify. Thank you so much, guys. Please do subscribe and like and comment. Bye bye. See you.